Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your BBQ sauce thicker. We'll explore simple methods to achieve that perfect, rich consistency you desire. First, we'll look at using common kitchen ingredients to create a quick slurry. Then, we'll discuss how reducing your sauce can naturally enhance its body and flavor. Finally, I'll share a couple of other easy options to get your sauce just right. A quick and effective way to thicken your sauce is by using a slurry. Just combine 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or flour with an equal amount of cold water, mixing until smooth. Slowly whisk this mixture into your simmering BBQ sauce. Continue to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring gently, and you'll notice your sauce becoming wonderfully thick and glossy. Another fantastic way to thicken your BBQ sauce is through reduction. Simply simmer your sauce uncovered over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. As the liquid evaporates, the sauce will naturally thicken, and its flavors will become more concentrated and delicious. This method also deepens the overall taste profile, giving you a richer, more robust sauce. Beyond slurries and reduction, you have other great options. Adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of tomato paste can significantly boost your sauce's body and depth of flavor. You could also create a small roux with butter and flour for a richer, more complex texture. For a natural approach, consider incorporating fruit purees, which add both thickness and a touch of sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.